Good morning. I have not slept that much. I'm gonna go to the car dealership with my dad. Not gonna take the camera with me, maybe my phone, maybe not. See you then. Alright, completely forgot to record anything at the car dealership. But there is a car which is looking quite nice and is affordable. Now I'm cleaning up my room because this is necessary. It looks like a mess. And what I'm gonna do now is to vacuum it with the Roomba. Enjoy the ride. Everything looks way better now. Another thing I wanted to do today is test fly my drone, because last time it did not record at all. It showed that it is recording, but it somehow didn't. And today I'm trying again in my garden. Next time I should recharge the battery before doing this. Well, it was okay now to fly for a few minutes, but not as long as it should, and it was way harder to control this damn thing. So, let's check if it recorded. It's really hard to control this thing when it's on low battery. That's the only file on the SD card and nothing of the flight itself. I guess it's the micro SD card that keeps failing me. I have to check it with another one. Maybe I have a smaller one here, because this is like 4 GB and the one that came with it has 1 GB, which should be enough for one flight session. I have found another micro SD card. It is not smaller, but it is bigger. It has 8 GB, but it seems to be faster than the other one. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. Let's hope for the best. Please work. Okay, the battery is empty again. The drone and the SD card is connected to the computer. Let's see what we got. Please work. Okay, let's check what my parents are up to. Okay, so this was the first time ever that I actually lost one of the rotors while flying. But it's okay. Perfect. Now that the drone records again, I'm calling it a day. What I'm gonna do now is relax, unwind, maybe work a little bit on a script for the car video, edit this vlog, and of course I'm gonna see you tomorrow.